Hi everyone, welcome to our Day-to-Day course. Today is our Day-52 class and the topics is Terraform State and like how we can lock our state file. Those things I will discuss in this video, and I'll show you a demo what is it like advantage of the using state file and when we use remote state file. So let me show you the steps, but let me create a EC2. So here is a simple EC2 file already created. So cat main.tf. So just create a simple EC2, and this EC2 image will take from the variable files. So if you see the variables, it will just take a image Amazon EC2. So let me create the file first. Before create, just show you there is no state file. So when we run the Terraform init, that will create the state file. So let me run the file Terraform init, and it will take a little bit time to download the package to run the AWS. So let me pause the video for a few seconds. Now run Terraform apply. Auto approve. So after creating the EC2, then you can see the state file, and we can see that like all details of the EC2 in that state file. So same way it will take a little bit time. So let me pause the video again. Our EC2 is created. Now if we see the file list, we can see there is one file created which is terraform.tf state. So let me open that file. You can see all EC2 related data is available in that file. Okay, this is basically state file. So state file is all information available which is created by Terraform. So the problem is like when you are using a single developer, then it's fine. But when you're using multiple developer working in the same project, then this state file need to be remotely. Like if we use this state file in AWS, then like 5 or 10 developer like to work at a time by this state file. So let me create a state file first, then you can understand. So if you go to like a Terraform documentation site, you can see there is lots of way you can create the state file remotely in like a local remote Azure. Lots of way in the list. The S3 is the most easiest way to create the remote state file. So they already give a sample. So just you can copy this file. Create a file backend.tf. Now you need to edit this file. So what you need to edit, you need to create a bucket and put that bucket name here, and also like give the exact location where the state file will be saved and the region where you create the bucket. So now we need to create a bucket and give that location here. So let me create a bucket now. So go to the S3 dashboard, and in the documentation I give the like a command to create the bucket, and I put it here everything in the like a CLI mode. So if you like copy that command, it will create a bucket, and also I give a command to create a DynamoDB and all EC2 and other stuff I put it here. But I want to show you the easiest way. Like if you are like a fresher or a little bit less idea about AWS, then just use the console. So here already create some bucket before. So now create a bucket. So give a name Terraform 2025. I need to be a little bit unique, like DevOps, and keep everything same. create bucket. Our bucket is created, so this one, go to inside. Now create a folder. Just put Terraform, save. Now you need to give this name to that file. So our bucket name is and folder we created Terraform. I also give a file name, like there will be a file created backend. Okay, so in Terraform folder, backend name file will be created. In that file, all state file information will be available there. Now let me save. Now if you run Terraform init, that state file will be created in the EC2. So if you go to your S3, you can see now file is there. So now if you run the Terraform init, now this state file will be created in the EC2. S3. You can see S3 backend S3 Terraform automatically it's created. Now if you go to the Terraform folder, you can see the backend file is there. So click the backend and open. Same information you can get it from here. All EC2 related information is available in this S3 bucket. Before it was in the local. Now let me refresh the EC2 dashboard. So this EC2 we created and the tag is 2025. Now let me remove this. These are the local state file and local state backup file. Let me remove these two. Okay, now there is no local state file in our PC. Now if you change anything, that changes will be stored in that S3. For what is the advantage basically? I will create same file in the different terminal. Show you if there is two user try to access the same state file, what is going on and how the problem is overcome. Just copy this 3 file in a different folder. CP. I just doing this because I want to show you the advantage of using remote state file and how we can basically lock the file. And I already created a folder user 2. So now this 3 file is there. So now I need to run the Terraform init again to initialize the state file. So to wait a little bit, let me pause the video. So initial is done. You can see there is no state file in the local PC. Our state file is shared from this S3. Now you thought this is one user, this is one user. So now two users can access the same resources. Now if one user is trying to edit something like EI variables, A and this user also try to use same thing EI. This user try to use any different thing, so he's editing the tag name B. So now if you try Terraform apply to same with this one also. So let me enter this one and also try this one. So both users are trying to edit these resources at a time. See, both are trying. So it's done. Same, it's also done. Now if you go to the resources, you can refresh the page. You can see the A1 we missed. It is update the B. So first it will update the A, then it update the B. So A user work is gone. So that way our work will be mismatched. So there is like a 4 developer is working the same Terraform file, then who is going to what, that will be mismatched. So that thing we can overcome by locking this file. Now we are using a locking system. So if this user is working any resources of Terraform, then it will locked. So until this user work finished, this lock will be still locked. So when this user work done, then it will be unlocked. Then any other user can do that thing. Now we'll add this thing. For adding the locking system, we need to create a DynamoDB table. So Dyna in different window. Create table. Give any name. DynamoDB 2025. And you need to give a key. I put lock ID. I need this name. Create. So our table is going to create. Now I need to add this table name in our file. So I am in user 1 bi backend.tf. So I need this table name and I need to add a keyword DynamoDB underscore table. Same line I need to add the user 2 also. bi I'm just doing this extra thing because I want to show you the like demo, what is the advantage when you're using adding locking. So both users are using same file. Just make sure spelling is okay. Save this. Now we need to initialize the Terraform again. Terraform init. So we need to merge this because we changed the backend file. Same thing we need to also do in the other user for. So it will take a little bit time. So let me pause the video. So when it will done, I'll come back again. Initializing done for this user and this user also. Now if we change anything in this file now, so cat vi. So variable I put a1. Let me try the apply. So now if you go to the tables, pro item, you can see this is locked. And it's going to from this to this one. Yes, and if you try now this, it will throw an error. It's done, so it will didn't throw an error. Let me try this one now. If we change the variables from now it will throw error. You can see it's still locked. So now if that user is done that work, then this user can able to do this. So same user not able to do same task at a time. So our work will be no mismatch. So now if you type yes, so it will be show the tag P1. Done. If you refresh this one, you can see tag P1. Okay, you can see P1. Now if that user try to apply, then he or she can able to edit that file. So now it will be a B1 to A1, I think. Is B1 to B to A1. Okay, so sorry, it's A2. The tag will be changed to A2. Done. Now refresh. You can see A2. So this way, lots of developer work at a time in a single project. So this is the advantage of state lock and remote state lock with DynamoDB. So if you use DynamoDB, then you can able to lock this thing. And if you don't want a locking system, you just go to the file, which is our backend.tf, get backend.tf, just remove or comment this line, then this locking system will be not work. So that's all for today's video, and what command I use in here, everything you get in the documentation. So just go to the documentation. So in the documentation, I just do everything in the command line. So this is we create a table, and that we create a Dynamo table, and this is the EC2. Just init, initialize everything. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I'll discuss in different topics of Terraform. So up to that time, best of luck. Bye.